Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today I'm with a new video. If you are a beginner to Italian then you will love this video. Today I will share 8 tips to learn Italian faster. Learning Italian can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Here are 8 tips to help you learn Italian faster. Our first tip is immerse yourself in the language. Listen to Italian music. Surround yourself with Italian as much as possible. Listen to Italian music, watch Italian movies and TV shows, and try to read books in Italian or articles. Immersion helps you pick up the language naturally. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Now let's move on to our second tip. And this tip is about practice speaking regularly. Find a language exchange partner or a tutor to practice speaking. Speaking regularly helps you become comfortable with pronunciation and conversational skills. If you all want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice your Italian every day in your daily routine. Please subscribe to my channel if you are a new viewer to my channel. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. And stay tuned with me in this video to learn Italian faster. And must follow these steps. These are very helpful if you are a beginner to Italian. Now let's move on to our third tip. Our third tip is use language learning apps. These apps are very useful. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise can provide structured lessons and practice exercise to build your vocabulary and grammar skills. By using these apps, you can learn Italian faster and in the most fun way and easiest way. I'll share their pictures on your screen, Duolingo and Memrise. You can use them and learn Italian faster. Now let's move on to our next tip. I'm again saying that please follow these steps if you want to learn Italian faster or you are a beginner to Italian. These will be very helpful for you, okay? Now let's move on to our next tip. Tip number 4 is learn key phrases first. This is the easiest and most fun way to learn Italian, okay? Let's learn the key phrases first. Focus on common phrases and expressions used in everyday conversation. This will help you start communicating quickly and build confidence. If you learn key phrases, then you will easily communicate with anyone in Italian. Now, next tip is tip number 5, study grammar basics. If you want to learn Italian faster, you all need to understand the grammar basics. Understanding the fundamental grammar rules of Italian will help you form sentences correctly and understand the structure of the language. For example, let's talk about singular and plural. Io in English, I. Plural is we, noi. Noi in English is we. Tu is singular and in English, you. Voi, plural, you all. Lui, him, singular. Plural is loro, them. Loro, them. Lei, singular, loro, them. Now let's move on to our next tip, tip number 6. This tip is very easy. You can follow it if you want to learn Italian faster. This one is flashcards for vocabulary. Tip number 6 is all about flashcards for vocabulary. Use flashcards to memorize new words. App like Anki can help you revive vocabulary regularly with spaced repetition. Like there is Italian house vocabulary on your screen. Now repeat after me. La casa, the house. La sedia, the chair. Il letto, the bed. il divano, the sofa. Now, please everyone follow these tips to learn Italian faster. Now, let's move on to our next step, the tip number 7. Join language classes or groups. Enroll in an Italian language class or join a local language group. Structured lesson and group practice can provide valuable learning opportunities and motivation. If you want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice it with your friends or your colleagues. Now let's move on to our tip number 8. This one is be consistent and patient. Set aside time each day for language practice, even if it's just 15, 20, or 5 minutes. Consistency is the key to language learning, and progress may take time. So be patient with yourself. Okay, everyone must follow these steps. By incorporating these steps into your learning routine, you will be on your way to mastering Italian more quickly and effectively. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and my channel name is Language with Sarah. Ciao, a presto!